Thank you for watching this video of my version of a four-player chess game. It was concepted back in 2000, early 2000. The game is played like regular chess, having two different sides playing against each other. Once the king is captured from one side, the rest of the pieces on the board become a combined unit, removing the mated king from the board, then going after the other remaining kings. To add a new element to the board, I came up with a new piece that I call a catapult. It is a combination of a bishop, a knight, and maybe a queen or rook, having the ability to jump over pieces like a knight, but not moving in an L shape. Having one piece on the square of a black square and one on the white square like a bishop, and then being able to go any direction like a queen. How this piece is moved is going 2 or 3 squares of the same color in any direction. A king can be mated easily with just one of the catapults if the king is surrounded and hasn't moved from its original spot. For example, starting from A1, jumping 3 squares to D4, then from D4 to F6, then from F6 to F10, putting the king in check because it can jump 2 extra black spaces, landing on the king's space. To counteract a catapult attack, you can use a bishop to prevent it from going to this F10, or using your knight, or protecting this F10 with a pawn or a knight. You can also use your black catapult to prevent a catapult from landing on F10. If you have any other questions about how the game is played or any interest, please leave a comment and I will be glad to respond back to you.